Today in the grain market, soybeans were strong. The new export sales to China really helped the market give it a boost. The futures did start lower, then they found some support from the Chinese purchases. And also, we're thinking that what they're doing is really trying to fill the gap of the Brazil gap from what they purchased there. But we have to watch out for the trouble in Chile, because that kind of stalled the idea that there was going to be any kind of deal signed. Who would have thought that this was going to happen? U.S. and China were planning to meet in Chile to really start something, and I think that that's a big disappointment here in the markets, and that's why we're not seeing that big of a movement around. So whatever may happen over the weekend, we could have some good news by Monday. Don't bet on it completely, but we can watch that. Corn was weaker today as well. It's drifting lower really for the past month right now. Prices are still 20 cents higher than Brazil corn right now. It's very difficult to compete worldwide. 370 still seems to be the major support level and kind of like a benchmark support number. And so as long as we're staying above that, it still looks pretty good. Demand is really a problem right now, and it's casting a bearish cloud over corn completely, and that's why we're staying right within this area. 370 would be on the low side. Of course, $4 is always our goal to get there, certainly for the D's contract, but we're quite a ways away from that today. Wheat also slipped today. USDA data shows that weak export sales is really to blame. Plus, there's uncertainty with these trade talks right now. That's unsettling for a lot of the grain markets right now. It's the bearish fundamentals in wheat, concerns that traders could be, headed, that the trade could be headed to the lows that we haven't seen since September, has a few wheat traders kind of worried. Everyone's starting to look at where are the options piled up at to see if maybe that's going to be an indication. But it remains to be seen what happens if the market starts to move quickly. Right now, we're kind of meandering sideways, really on all the markets, with soybeans being the strongest. But expect more of the same, really, for the rest of the year, unless we get any news with that U.S.-China trade deal.